Um, Hello everyone, I am Sejal Gupta. I belongs to Morena, Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my Masters MCA from Savitribai Pune University in Pune. After completed my MCA, I got a chance of a job internship by Evision. After joining this internship, that I have learnt a lot of things that networking, ITIL, virtualization, CCNA, network security, etc. And these all of things that I have learned, which help me a lot to crack my interviews. And I am very happy about it. I have got placed in ACCENTURE. I am very happy about it, and thank you so much for the Evision team for your support and faculty. That thank you so much.